Hi, welcome to L1 Auto. This is 2013 Toyota Sienna. This van have a problem with the door, sliding door, passenger side. The automatic door is not working. The reason it's not working, see this wire is broke already. Somebody cut it. Somebody cut it already. So you're gonna replace the cable. Let me show you the cable. This is a cable for the Sienna sliding door, passenger side. So this is the part number right there. Let me show you step by step how to replace that. We need to open this panel to take this old cable from inside. First of all, let me make a little room. I need to flip this seat so I have a little more room to work out. Do this very simple. Just pull this top one, this one. Then you see right there, there's a little like a handle. Just pull this and hold it with it. Leave like this. When you put it back, just simply push this and push this again. Push this and pull the seat like this. Then it will easily sit. Then I need to take this switch out. After this, take this screw out. Just simply with something, just pry like this. Come out. Then see the tab right here. Just push the tab. Pull it. Come out like that. Then push this in the lock position. After that, just simply put something like this. If you have a plastic one, that'll be better. Like this. See, the bore is coming out. So do little by little, like in the bottom too. Just pull it like this. See there? It will come out. Then just simply pull this. When you do this, there's a little hook right there. See there's a little groove right here. This one is sitting right there. The groove like this. So take this off and easily it will come out. Window is down now. I have the window down because we need to take this like little push clip right there. Let's take this off. Then I can take whole thing off. Right, open. You see this? This is the cable. Our cable is came out from the motor. It's pretty simple operation right now. A lot easier than old model like 2008, 9, 10. That was much harder to replace that. After that, we're gonna take this off. Simply just pull it like this. So there we need to take 3 10mm pole, 1, 2, and 3 out. One thing you have to remember when you put it back, you see this wire is kind of silver color or gray, or this side, this is inside, and outside you see the different colors. Open the rear vent, then take this piece off. See, finally I took this off. When you push it, it's supposed to come easy, but it's not coming. Look, there's nowhere. So this one I need to put the pry bar under like this underneath, right there. Then it came out. This is outside. You see the black? This is the black color on the new wire. See this? This wire is gray or silver, whatever you said. And this is the black. See this? It's black. So you have to remember which way is going, which way. This is outside, the black one. This one is inside. After we take this ball out, there is a 2 10mm ball right here. One in here, one in there. Right there, you'll see that. So we need to take this ball, 2 ball out. After we take this ball out, then pull it with the door inside, like this. Then just push it through in here. See this? Whole thing is came out, like so. There we go. So everything is came out. So this everything is came out. Remember where you put it in. Where you take it out, just put it in same way. Take this out. Then there's this screw. I think 3 screw, one and one in the back. One is right there, and one in here. Just take this screw out. This is the old piece attached with that. I need to take this out. Just you see this, the hole for the screw. Right there, 2 and then 3. Just match it up like this. Here we go. Just fit perfectly. Then put the screw. Put the 3 screw. Then I'm gonna tie it up this ball, 3 ball. 1, 2, 3. Let's match it up the hole right there. Just push a little bit. 3 ball is tied now. We need to take this, the broken piece off. This is pretty simple. You see the little tab both sides. Just push it, and it will come out. Just push it and see from the top. Just pull it like this. But you have to push it in here. This. See these 2 tab, just push it like this and it will come out easily. So remember, this side is a gray one, the long one. See, this is long one, this is long one, gray one. I just simply do like this and push. See this, push it like this. Simply just hook it in, that's all. There, just put this in like so. Here we go. Now I'm gonna tie this 2 ball underneath right there. Make sure the gray one on this side, the black one the other side, the long one will be this side. Don't forget this. Let me tie it up, 2 ball right there. Right there. See, make sure this gray one right here. Then outside, right there. There's a maybe a little tight space. You can pull this. Yeah, but pull this a little bit, pull it in. But I make it easy to do that. That's simple thing. Just open 1 10mm ball right there. This one, take it off. When you put it in, like this is this side will be down. This one is bolted like this. So you just simply this is go down. This thing like this. Simply just pull like this. The wire will go right here. And just push it in like this. That's simple. Then this hook thing, you have to be matched with the hole like this, and just tight this ball 10mm. See, it's easily going now. Nice. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.